Ever had that sinking feeling when your Toyota Prius just won't start? Don't worry, I'm here to help you troubleshoot the problem and get back on the road. Here are some common issues and how to fix them. First up, the 12V battery. If your car is giving you no lights, no sounds, or just a clicking noise when you try to start it, your 12V battery might be dead. Try jump-starting it with another vehicle or a portable jump starter. If that works, the battery likely needs replacing or a good charge. Use a multimeter to check the battery voltage. It should read between 13.6 and 14.5 volts when the engine is running. Consider trickle charging the battery overnight if you aren't driving much. Next, let's talk about the key fob. If your Prius won't start, especially with a push start button, the key fob battery might be dead. Replace the battery in the key fob and try again. If that doesn't do the trick, press the key fob close to the start button and try starting the car. Now, if your car starts but won't go into ready mode or it won't start at all despite a charged 12V battery, you might have an issue with the hybrid system. Look for any error messages on the dashboard and consult your Toyota owner's manual for specific steps. A check engine light could indicate a hybrid system problem. Other potential issues include a faulty crankshaft position sensor, an immobilizer system malfunction, or fuel system problems. Don't forget to check fuses, relays, and other electrical components. If you're not comfortable diagnosing or fixing these issues yourself, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic. Also, keep your Prius's owner's manual handy for specific jumpstart procedures and other troubleshooting tips. Got any more questions? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car tips and fixes.